Every once in a while, a product comes along that changes everything. 8 years ago, we decided to revolutionize how the industrial trades purchase their equipment. With that dream and a lot of hard work, our Pro platform was born. After 6+ years of perfecting the platform and serving thousands of customers across telecom, wind, solar, utilities, and countless other industries, we decided we could do more. We could revolutionize what it means to be an end-to-end solution. A few weeks ago, we told you that something big was coming. We told you that we rebuilt our Pro platform from the ground up, and the response was incredible. The new platform is sleek, clean, and incredibly user-friendly. But the real magic isn't the surface-level look and feel. It's the specialized tools we've built to serve you and your team. Most software gives everyone the exact same view. Gearcor PRO gives everyone the right view. Job site-ready company catalogs, dedicated task inboxes, multi-level org capabilities, all built to streamline your process, whether you're a small crew, an enterprise-level business, or anything in between. Grant access based on a variety of permissions like billing only, catalog only, or HR-specific rules. Get your data your way. We archived 5 years of your order history into a high-speed database. Pull granular spin reports in seconds so you know where you've been to help you plan for where you're going. Gearcor PRO puts industry expertise into a platform as rugged and reliable as your crew. Built for industry, built to streamline, built to scale, built for you. Experience the power of Gearcor PRO today.